Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? As for me, I am doing wonderful under the grace of God, and I hope you guys do the same also. Today, I am here to share with you this my delicious, tasty, and amazing plantain snack that we call Ahayoe in my country, Togo. So, without further ado, guys, let me quickly show you what you need for this beautiful and amazing snack called Ahayoe. Okay, so for this snack we will need 3 ripe plantain, 1 large onion, and some salt. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It's simple, really simple, and you will love it. So for the plantain, you need some ripe plantain, but not overripe, because in the process, if you use like overripe plantain, it will suck up all the oil, and you don't want that. You want to eat kind of healthy, right? So I'm using this just ripe plantain, not overripe. And right here, after peeling the skin off, I will cut it. So when you cut them, now you're gonna make sure to just chop them down, really chop them, smash them down. No, not smash, just chop them down as we are seeing in this video right now, to a small, really tiny small pieces. And here we go. This is how it's gonna be looking like. You can go further, a little bit further, and reduce it more to those little tiny pieces of banana plantain. But as for me, I don't mind to I don't mind if it's not that tiny. It tastes just as the same. So you just need the right ingredients with the onion and the salt. Okay, so now I'm shredding my onion. Guys, this red onion is something else. Is so dark. Whoa, and my eyes, you guys can imagine. So this is all I use. I shredded about half of the onion, and I stopped there. Okay, so I will make sure to mix them well together while still chopping down the banana plantain. And after that, I'll add my salt to it. Make sure to blend them all well together, and then we will move further. So guys, I would like to use this opportunity to thank you all for your support. Even though these times I'm not that consistent on my channel, you guys are coming to watch and support. I am grateful. Thank you. And yeah, I'm just grateful for that. Thank you so much, guys. So as you can see, I continue the chopping down process a little bit more. Yeah, the fat is, it just look like more fine. It just look, yeah, fine when you chop it down more. But after all, they all will go down. So that's the that's the thing. So I'm transferring them. Yeah, I'm transferring them into my plate. And now I will go after my pots. And my oil, yeah, I forgot to mention the oil among the ingredients. So that's me adding my oil to my pot with those 2 slices of onion, just to make sure it smells nice, and it helped me know the level of how hot is my oil. Okay, so now I think it's warm enough to add my plantain. So you don't need the oil to be like too hot, yeah, otherwise this will burn very fast. Yeah, it burns so easily. So make sure your oil is like not too hot, and you add your plantain to it. Yeah, spray it over your oil, and while it's frying, make sure you just come back and stir it to avoid like any burning at the bottom of your frying pot. So now at this level, I will quickly remove my plantain from the oil. You don't want to wait too long, otherwise it will get burnt and or dry, and if it's dry you can't mold it. But for this snack, what make it particular is how they mold it. You can mold it like anyhow you want. You can make like tiny pieces of like kind of maple with just your hand, or you use any mold, those little mold ball or anything to shape it. Yeah, so this is my final result. Yeah, so that's how it's supposed to look like, right? Our Ahayoe is ready. Ahayoe is sobrevomiento. So in the process, don't forget to don't let it fry for a long time, or else it will get dry. You cannot mold it, and it's just sweet, it's just tasty. You will love it. So simple and so good, and the smell also with the onion, guys, is just wonderful. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. See you back. See you next time. Bye bye.
Tere, 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 mano y tere.